Welcome to Build Your 3D. In this video, we'll take a look at the Parametric Involute Spur Gear Generator. Whether you're replacing a worn gear, designing a gearbox, building a robot, or creating a custom mechanical project, this configurator allows you to generate precise Involute Spur gears directly in your browser. No CAD software required. The gear is generated automatically based on your selected parameters. Simply enter your dimensions, update the preview, and inspect the generated model before downloading the STL file or ordering professional 3D printing. Let's go through each parameter. The first parameter is the module. The module defines the size of the gear teeth and is one of the most important values when designing gears. Two gears can only mesh correctly if they use the same module. Next is the number of teeth. This determines the overall diameter of the gear and directly influences the gear ratio. Increasing the tooth count creates a larger gear and changes the transmission ratio when paired with another gear. Now we have the gear width. This specifies the thickness of the gear. A wider gear provides a larger contact area between the teeth, allowing it to transmit higher loads and torque. Next is the bore diameter. This defines the hole in the center of the gear. Choose a diameter that matches your shaft for a secure fit. Finally, we have the hub. The hub adds additional material around the center of the gear. Depending on your application, a hub can improve strength and provide extra support for mounting the gear on a shaft. If no hub is required, the gear can also be generated as a flat design. Once all parameters have been configured, simply update the preview. Within seconds, Build Your 3D generates a completely new Involute Spur gear based on your specifications. No manual CAD modeling. No complicated sketches. Just enter your values and the geometry is created automatically. The interactive 3D viewer allows you to inspect the gear from every angle. Rotate the model. Zoom in to examine the involute tooth profile. Verify the bore size, hub geometry, and overall proportions before manufacturing or 3D printing. The preview represents the exact geometry generated from your selected parameters. Build Your 3D makes it easy to create custom Involute Spur gears for mechanical engineering, robotics, automation, gearbox design, repair projects, and 3D printing. Generate your custom gear in just a few clicks and download a ready-to-print STL file within seconds. Visit buildyour3d.com to explore more parametric engineering models and start designing your own custom gears today. Thanks for watching.